Elementary English Test 2 Part 2. Topics covered. To be, is, am, are. Possessive adjective, and subject pronouns. (16) Toyotas, blank, Japanese, blank. A is a car. B is car. C are cars. D is cars. (17) What is blank? She is a bank manager. A his job. B she job. C he job. D her job. (18) 0, 2, 11, 18, 20. Find the correct alternative. A 0, 12, 18, 20. B 0, 2, 11, 18, 20. C 0, 2, 11, 18, 20. D 0, 2, 11, 80, 20. (19) How old is your aunt? Blank is 29. A she. B he. C she's. D he's. (20) Where, blank, she from? She, blank, from Japan. A are, is. B is. C is, am. D are. 21. This, blank, my friend. Blank, name's Richard. A are, his. B is, my. C is, his. D his. 22. They, blank, Lisa and Max. They, blank, from the USA. A is. B are, is. C are. D is. 23. What is, blank, name? My name's Carlos. A his. B her. C your. D my. (24) This is my sister. Blank, name is Laura. A, his. B, my. C, her. D, its. (25) I have, blank, brother. Blank, name is David. A, an, his. B, a, her. C, a, his. D, the, his. (26) Hello. My, blank, Maria. I, blank, Mexico. A, name is, from am. B, is name, from am. C, name is, am from. D, name am, is from. (27) Is Catherine, blank, sister? A, he. B, you. C, your. D, yours. (28) We, blank, students. A, are a. B, is. C, are. D, am. (29) I, blank, student. A, is, an. B, am. C, am, a. D, am, the. (30) She, blank, Italy. A, are from. B, is at. C, is from. D, am from.